Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Drive folders for organized brand asset storage step by step clearly. Open your Google Drive account. On the left side, click on My Drive to view your current folders. To create a new folder, click on the plus new button. Select folder from the drop-down menu. Name your folder clearly, such as brand assets. Click Create to finalize the new folder. Open the newly created folder by double-clicking on it. To make organization easier, create subfolders for different asset types. Click on plus new again, and select folder for each subfolder. Examples of subfolders include logos, images, marketing materials, and videos. Ensure each subfolder has a descriptive name for quick identification. Now, upload your brand assets into the appropriate subfolders. Click on the plus new button and select File Upload or Folder Upload. Choose the files you want to upload from your computer. Organize your files by dragging and dropping them into the corresponding subfolders. To maintain consistency, establish naming conventions for your files. Use descriptive names that include relevant details, such as the date or purpose. Set sharing permissions for each folder based on your team's needs. Right-click on the folder and select Share to manage access. Add team members' email addresses for collaboration. Choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the files. Regularly review and update your folders to keep your brand assets current. Consider archiving outdated assets to keep the folder clean. Use color codes to differentiate between various categories of assets. Right-click on a folder, select Change Color, and choose your preferred color. Take advantage of Google Drive's search functionality to quickly find files. Remember to back up your assets on a local drive or another cloud service. By following these steps, you'll maintain an organized and efficient brand asset storage system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.